This is Dan Pipp with GeoProbe Direct Image. In this video, we will cover the necessary setup changes to the instrument and trunk line connections to go from OIHBT to MIHBT. Let's get started. I will first remove the OIHBT trunk line. I am unscrewing the two chrome connectors which link all wire connections from the probe to the OIP interface. Then I will remove the water injection line from the HBT controller. Then the trunk line can be set aside, and the short control lines from the OIP interface can be set on top of the interface or removed. The power cable can be removed or left in place. The large 62-pin serial cable must be moved from the OIP interface to the MIP controller for the proper software to load for MIHBT. The electrical connectivity jumper must also be removed from the FI6000. And the USB connection from the FI6000 must be removed from the OIP interface. At this point, the interface can either be removed or left in place. The USB cable, which is connected to the field instrument, will connect directly to the field laptop in MIHBT mode. Now I'm connecting the EC wires from the MIHBT trunk line. You'll notice these two wires are in the top two positions of the connector. Next, I'll connect the HBT sensor wires and the HBT injection line from the MIHBT trunk line. Notice the HBT sensor wires are brown, orange, red in top-down order. The other MIP trunk line connections include the heater and thermocouple wires and supply and return gas lines. They may already be in the instruments, but we will review their installation now. The yellow heater wires are placed into a black and blue connector like this. You'll line up the slot, insert it into the connector, and turn to the right to engage. The thermocouple wires, yellow is positive, red is negative, and they cannot touch. Those get inserted into that connector. Finally, we have the MIP carrier gas lines. I will first connect the clear Teflon gas line to the regulated output port on the MIP controller, which will supply nitrogen down to the probe. The return gas line is tan colored, a plastic polymer called PEEK tubing. We will feed it through one of the openings in the rear of the GC and connect it to a 16th-inch bulkhead which is located behind the PID bulb. Ensure that all connections have been tightened. This completes all of the connections to your system. You should be ready to operate in MIHBT mode.